What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I am actually retiring this BioLight flashlight that I use. It's a pen inspection light, but I'm retiring it because I bought the Coast A9 rechargeable flashlight. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. So if you guys are looking to buy one of these, or you guys are thinking about buying one of these, it shows you what it comes with. And later on in the video, I'm going to be doing some just going over some specs and whatnot. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the unboxing. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, so let's put this way. Alright, so when it's open, we have a little card with more specs. And the box itself has a lot of specs on it as well. You have the model, rechargeable, beam distances and whatnot. And I think on the bottom, we have more specs as well. So that's really cool. They actually put a lot of work into the box itself. Okay. So out of the box, there is a flashlight. And it doesn't work. That is because the battery is out on the side. So let's put the battery in. And while I put the battery in, I'm going to go over some specs with you guys, okay? So, let's see. All you have to do this is you just... There you go. And while I'm doing this, like I said, the battery itself, part number is 19698. It's a Coast battery. And it's a lithium polymer battery pack. And the good thing about this is that it's actually you can get this off separately on the Coast store online, or there's other places online that actually sell it as well. And the battery pack itself is actually fairly cheap. It runs like $7 to about like $15 depending on where you get it from. So that was a big reason as to why I bought this as well. And there you go, the beam. Okay, so with the flashlight, it also comes with a charging cap. So let's pop that out because the charging cap is at the bottom. Let's pop that out. Alright, so this is the charging cap and charging cable. Now, man, this is a really long charging cable. It comes with a tie. I believe this is what, like 4 feet or so. Yeah, it's really long. It's about 4 feet. Along with the cable, there's 3 different ways you can charge it: by USB, by outlet, and by the car outlet. Also comes with a instruction manual. But who needs instructions? I'm just kidding. I'll read that later. I think I got the gist of it. Alright, so that's the reason as to why, or some of the reasons as to why I bought this. One is that the charging cable, let me try to plug it in for you guys. See if I can get it one time. Nope. 2 times. Alright, so the charging cable is actually very easy to charge. All you have to do is grab your flashlight and grab your charging cap and stick them together. Red means charging, green means good. So it's very easy, very self-explanatory. But I guess right here it's already charged. Okay, so let's put that on the side. And there's things that, certain things that you might want to consider when buying this, but it's very simple stuff. So if you are buying this, it comes in many different colors. It comes in black, blue, green, orange, red, and silver. I just went with orange because it's brighter. It's gonna be a little easier to see if I forget it in a car. So that's the reason why I went with orange. And it's made with a stainless steel body, and it's actually very light. That is one of the reasons as to why I bought it. And compared to this pen, a little size comparison: this pen and this flashlight. Well, then again, it is considered the Coast pen inspection light, so it is a pen light. But it is actually the pen size. And it's actually very light too. It's 2.9 ounces. And another reason as to why I got this is because the charging with the cap is external. So you don't have to open anything up. You don't have to open any flaps or whatnot. So it's going to be very hard for water to get in, water seepage to get into the flashlight and ruin it. But if that does happen somehow, Coast actually has a lifetime warranty on this. So that's really nice too. This flashlight is impact resistant, weather resistant, and water resistant. And the beam itself is a 20-meter beam, and the battery life is a 3-hour runtime. The beam, the flashlight itself has a 54 lumen output, so it's not actually a lot, but it's enough because I solely rely on my headlamp for light. But when I do need lights, a flashlight, it's because I need to get into tighter spots. So because this is so small, I'm pretty sure it'll serve me just fine, or be just fine. Anyway, that is the Coast A9R unboxing. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like unboxing and tool haul videos and tool review videos, please subscribe to my channel. I do how-to videos, tool review videos. I'm gonna start doing way more unboxing and tool haul videos as well. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you guys did enjoy this video or found it informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.